Hi, my name is Amanda Calhoun. I'm the new Veteran Affairs Coordinator at Rogers State University. I'm a Marine Corps veteran and I just came and took this position. My goal here is to make Rogers State University a military-friendly school. We want to enhance our services here and offer more technology and more resources to the veterans. We want to upgrade the outside of the building so we have more visibility so more veterans can come in and use our center. And we need your assistance with that. This is our Veteran Center at Rogers State University. As you can see, we need a little bit revamping. There's very low visibility. It's on the back of another building. There's not really anything that screams veteran friendly here. We do have a sign that lets us know we're here, but if you were driving by it on the street, you wouldn't really take another look at it. We want to make sure it's a place that screams veteran friendly, that is very patriotic, that makes the veterans feel appreciated coming to school and coming to this space knowing that's something specifically for them and that Rogers State supports them. So we're just looking for your assistance in revamping the outside painting, getting some things put out here that makes the veterans feel they're at home. Thank you for your support during Giving Week. We want to continue the legacy of OMA and continue to support our veterans to the best of our ability. Please visit rsu.edu/give.